Welcome to Nasdaq TradeTalks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. We're coming to you live from the Singapore FinTech Festival, and joining me for this segment, we have Jeremy Tan. He's CEO of Tiger Fund Management, and we're here to discuss the rise of digital platforms for investments and outlook going forward. Jeremy, it's great to have you with us. Welcome to TradeTalks.
Thank you very much, Jill.
Let's talk about the trends in digital trading and the growth that you're seeing on online trading platforms.
Sure, I would say that within ASEAN and also globally, there's actually a very rapid adoption of digital platforms, especially what we have seen around ASEAN. There is a very young demographics of users. They are actually readily adopting digital platforms for trading, as against to their previous generation. They were still pretty much trading on over the phone or via very traditional routes. What we have seen is that the evolvement has gone from perhaps PC trading towards online trading via the apps as well.
Yeah. What are some of the opportunities and challenges that you see within the ASEAN region?
Obviously, there's a lot of opportunity. ASEAN being a young demographic region, there's really a lot of a rising wealth effect. I would say that a lot of wealth is going into assets, risky assets as well, and also not only traditional assets, but also cryptocurrency, blockchain. We have seen that trend going on. And as a result, I would say that a lot of platforms that are readily adopting digital platforms would be primed to actually capitalize on that trend. But in terms of challenges, I would say that there is a lot of regulatory differences between different countries, and therefore I would say being a new platform like us or other newer platforms, they would really need to understand the different regulatory environment as they are actually expanding into ASEAN region or other region that they are less actually comfortable with.
Right, so you can understand what environment you're operating in, right? Yeah, so when you think about the future of trading, clearly cohesive regulation is part of that. What are your predictions as digital trading platforms continue to evolve?
Well, as the platforms continue to evolve, I think number one priority is to serve the needs of consumers. I think right now what consumers really want is for that transparency, ease of access, and actually the onboarding. In terms of onboarding right now, our platform actually readily helps investors onboard within 5 minutes. Actually, that saves a lot of time in terms of their onboarding journey. And transparency as well, in terms of being able to reflect their positions readily on our digital platform is extremely important. And finally, I would say that being able to do analysis and perhaps that kind of benchmarking of assets between various asset classes or funds, I think that's also readily very important. And I would say that the use of technology, for instance, like Tiger, we have launched Tiger GPT to use a large language model to help investors sieve out opportunities in the market readily.
All right, Jeremy, appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. And thanks for joining me from the Singapore FinTech Festival. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Thank you.